Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your password and security settings on your account on Messenger easy and quick. First click on the three lines here, now click settings, and here you'll find it on account center, and now you'll find here password and security. Click on it. Here as you see you can manage your password and security settings as you want, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.